What's up, carvers? This is Beavercraft, your place for everything wood carving. You know that moment when your carving knife just doesn't feel right anymore? It's not dull, but it sure isn't slicing like it used to. Well, here's the secret. You probably don't need to sharpen it, you just need to strop it. Yep, no expensive sharpening systems, no fancy stones. In this video, we'll show you the cheapest way to get your knife super sharp and keep it that way, with just a simple leather strop and polishing compound. And yes, it actually works. So let's clear this up first. Stropping isn't technically sharpening. You're not grinding away metal like with a whetstone. Instead, you're polishing that very edge, refining it, straightening those tiny microscopic teeth that bend and roll while carving. It's kind of like brushing your teeth, but for your knife. Do it often, and your blade stays healthy and sharp much longer. Skip it, and you'll be grinding way more often than you should. Okay, here's what you'll need, and none of this will break the bank. Let's start with the obvious, your knife. That's the one we'll be working on today. You can strop pretty much any knife, pocket knife, kitchen knife, camping knife. They all can benefit from stropping. Next, a leather strop. This can be a paddle strop like this one, or even just a simple strip of leather attached to a wooden block. And then a polishing compound. Usually the green chromium oxide bar works great, but there are other colors that work too. And that's it. No fancy setups, no expensive machines. You can get all this for under 30 bucks and keep your knives carving like new for years. Most leather strops have two sides, a rough suede side and a smooth, shiny one. If you're using a single-sided strop, no problem, just work with what you've got. If you're using a dual-sided strop like this, here's how it works. The rough suede side is where you apply polishing compound. It grips the compound better and helps remove those microscopic burrs that make your knife feel dull. The smooth leather side stays clean. It's for your final finishing passes, giving your knife that glossy, mirror-like edge. So step one, load the rough leather side with polishing compound. Just rub it on like a crayon until you've got a nice, even coat. That compound contains ultra-fine abrasive particles that do the polishing work. Step two, start stropping on the rough side with compound. Lay your knife flat on the strop, then tilt it just until you feel the bevel connect. That's your angle. For most carving knives, that's around 15 to 20 degrees. Now pull the knife back, spine first. Never push the edge into the leather, you'll cut it. Use slow, even strokes, keeping that angle consistent. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. About 10 to 15 passes per side is usually enough. Step three, flip to the clean, smooth leather side. This side doesn't need any compound, it's just for finishing. A few light passes here will remove any leftover residue and give your edge that final mirror-like polish. Think of it as buffing your knife. It's not just sharp now, it's clean sharp. Now let's test it. Try slicing a piece of paper. If it glides easily, you're in good shape. But the real test is how it feels on wood. A properly stropped knife should feel like it wants to slice without extra force. Clean cuts, no tearing, no forcing the knife through. Now the big question, how often should you strop? Honestly, as often as you can. You can give your knife a few passes before carving, a few mid-project, and a few when you're done. It keeps the edge in top shape and saves you from having to resharpen later. Think of it like maintenance, small effort, big reward. The more you strop, the less you'll need actual sharpening stones. Before you grab your strop, a couple of quick warnings. Don't ever push your edge into the leather, you'll cut it up and ruin the strop. Don't lift your angle too high or you'll round off the bevel and make the knife worse. Don't press like you're trying to flatten the strop. Light pressure is plenty. Think smooth and controlled, not forceful. Apply compound evenly, blobs don't help. And of course, keep your hands out of the knife's path. You want sharp knives, not sharp fingers. And that's it, the cheapest, easiest way to keep any knife sharp. A leather strop and a bit of compound, that's all it takes to turn a tired blade into a cutting machine. Stropping might not look as dramatic as grinding sparks on a stone, but it's the secret every good carver and knife enthusiast knows. Keep a strop at hand, use it often, and your knife will thank you. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you've got your own stropping tips, and don't forget to subscribe for more wood carving tutorials, tool care, and carving tricks from Beavercraft. Keep those knives sharp and happy carving.